Hello everyone, this is Shraddha Joshi and I am going to teach you Adobe Photoshop software. Currently I am using Adobe Photoshop CC version. Uh, you may all know the interface of Adobe Photoshop. Uh, this whole window is called Adobe interface. This is menu bar. Below menu bar there is a property bar. You can see various options in menu bar and property bar also. In top left corner there is vertical bar that is called toolbar. First thing I need to mention that in the property bar in the top right corner there is one button. We can call it as workspace options. There are various workspace options you can see here. Currently we are in essentials workspace. Then you can see 3D, motion, painting, photography, typography, and the option for reset workspace, new workspace and delete workspace. You can edit and modify workspace at any time and reset it at any time. In the right corner of Adobe Photoshop interface you can see various panels. In the right corner at top you can see two panels of color, that is color and swatches. Here you can choose the color which you want. Also from swatches you can choose different colors. You can add new color and delete the color. We are going to see it in detail later. Below color panel there are two panels as adjustments and style. In adjustment panel you can see various adjustment options which you can use to edit photos, that is brightness, curves, exposure and so on. To the right side of adjustment there is style panel. Here you can choose style to give to your object a selection. Below the adjustment panel there are layers panel, channels and paths. Yes, of course we are going to see it in much more detail later. So first of all I'm going to create new file from file menu. New. Shortcut is Ctrl N. This is the new file. Here you can give name to your file. So I am currently giving as photo editing, or you can see 3D object, introduction to 3D. Introduction to 3D. From preset you can choose the file size, paper size, it is Photoshop size, US paper and so on. I am going to choose a web. The size is 800 by 600 pixels. The parameters of Photoshop mostly we count in pixels because it is a raster based software. Here also there are different options of parameters: inches, centimeter, millimeters, points, picas and columns. Here the resolution is 72, current resolution is 72. If you are going to work from for printing, you can select 300. Currently I am selecting 72. Color mode RGB, 8-bit. Background, you can choose paper background, white background color, transparent or other. I am going to choose transparent background. Advanced options are color profile and pixel aspect ratio. So I am going to hit OK. Here you can see new file. So I am directly going to teach you 3D option. I'm going to open Adobe Photoshop CS6. Yeah. So yeah, I'm choosing 3D workspace as we are working on 3D. From 3D option, from 3D menu bar, I'm selecting new 3D extrusion from new mesh from layer. Here you can see postcard mesh preset. From mesh preset we can choose the shape of object. Yeah, I'm here selecting cube, the basic cube. This is the basic cube, basic 3D cube in Photoshop. Now we are going to look at transformation options, move option, rotate option, scale option and camera. So here you can see move option. You can see the move option. There are 3 axes: x axis, y axis and x axis, y axis and z axis. You can move it upside, downside, right and left. You can rotate it. You can see here scale option also. Scale option also. Here the little yellow box you can see here. This is the little yellow box. You can drag upside or downside to scale the object. I'm scaling the object and making it rectangle object. Again moving it to downside. Yes. Selecting again, and this is tool is rotate the 3D object. You can rotate the 3D object. This is the top of cube, top of rectangle. This you can try out yourself also. I'm just going to show you some texture part and shadow part. Select the cube. From right bottom corner you can see 3D layers and channels. From 3D panel, choose the cube material. Select show all 3D mesh and 3D extrusion. Yes, materials. In properties panel there are materials option. First option is diffuse. You can select a color. Basic material. New texture. Yes. You can edit the texture here. Here is light option. You can select daylights. Yes, you can see the intensity of light is changing. Roll the 3D object. Move. Scale the 3D object. Okay. Here is a timeline. You can add a keyframe. Create video timeline. Here are some shine option, reflection, roughness of texture. Here is a bump map. You can choose bump map from right corner. Texture.